All right, folks, this is a Google Meet update that just pushed to me today. I don't know for sure if it's going to be on yours, but I have a feeling it hit all Baltimore County clients today. Super important update. We can now stream video or audio into our Google Meet without messing with anything in terms of microphones or settings or Bang & Olufsen said anything. Check this out. You're going to open up a tab to do your streaming. So I'm going to open up a YouTube tab over here. I'm just going to pick, I'm not going to do one of me because let me just do this cello one over here. Okay. So there's an ad playing. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to skip the ad. And maybe I'll just pause it there since I want the kids to watch it from the beginning or whatever. I'm going to maximize the screen. You know, kids haven't seen it yet. Well, I'm not going to maximize the screen. I'm going to just maybe go to theater mode here so that it blocks out the advertising. Okay, whatever it is you want, here it is. I'm going to go back to my Google Meets page. Now, pretend I'm looking at a ton of kids and looking at my class. When you go to present now, here's how you know if you have the update. See the Chrome tab option? You have your entire screen, a window, Chrome tab. Hit the Chrome tab, press the tab you want to go, and then it says share audio here is checked. Hit share. And now when I hit play, and I'm going to pause it because I don't know if the audio of this video I'm making is going to work or not. But now, assume this video is playing, everyone in your Google Meet is seeing your presentation. So it's not helping you to see, like I believe if you go back to here, and you'll have to test this, maybe going back to here and they are all still seeing it. Hang on a sec, let me check this. So I just tested it, and indeed, if you navigate away from that video, like assume this is actually playing, and you go back to Google Meet, you will see all of your kids. You won't see your own video presentation. You'll hear it. And I believe this little blue right there, it says on that little blue tab, it says underneath, I can't go under, it'll go away. This tab's content is being shared. So you will see the other kids reacting to your video. They will all be seeing that video on their screen. So the main purpose, the main power of this is that you can share sound without going to crazy settings and stuff. The other slight power is that you can watch the kids while they're watching the video content. What I know everyone wants to do is to be able to present something that they are manipulating themselves, like a whiteboard or a PowerPoint or something, and see the kids. And we still don't have a good solution for that, but I'll keep pushing at this update and see if there's anything simple and easy. But now we have the sound, and you want to be presenting to them issue, figured out. So good luck. Let me know how it goes. And if you have any issues, be sure to email me. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks.